Alright, we're getting there.
We have a great deck in our backyard, but it seemed like we never used it.
The sun was too hot, our umbrella was too small.
Alright. That's how it's supposed to feel. That's how I remember it. Haps, custom extended, had it lift it. It's going through, I think about 3/4 inches of wood. So, there it is for now. And time to start working on the guts. And I'm going to add 3 buttons there. Got the USB power supply for the Raspberry. And power switch for the back. And a bunch of more other parts. Also replacing the dust cover with a clear one, so you can see more of the artwork instead of this black one that just got mailed today. Decided to secure it with just through the top with 4 screws on the acrylic. So all in all, forward spin, back spin. There it is.